Hey guys, today I'll teach how to make a very simple boat using basically a bottle, styrofoam, a small engine and a battery. The other materials are very simple and you're going to see in the tutorial. So let's go start! So guys, in this part I think the best music to listen is Do It Right, because I did very well, you can see here. and I don't know what happened. It's like a reaction, and I have to investigate a little bit. But I think if you want to paint the boat, you have to put something to protect the styrofoam, and after you paint over that. But I don't know which materials you have to use to protect the styrofoam. And yes, so I don't test this outside because I don't have boat for that, but I think you can see the power of this boat in the sink is very powerful. And yes, so I finish. I hope you enjoy. Yeah, so bye.